Life, what is it really? Is it only about being born, working endlessly, fighting daily struggles, and then one day quietly disappearing? Or is life something far deeper, more mysterious, more miraculous? Today we explore the powerful life vision of Osho, the rebel mystic, the seeker of infinite consciousness, who taught that life is not a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived. Osho said the greatest misery of human beings is that they never truly know themselves. They spend their lives trying to meet the expectations of others, while forgetting to ask the most important question: who am I? His first teaching was simple. Know yourself. But knowing oneself is not easy, because our minds are filled with noise, fear, pressure, comparisons, and this noise disconnects us from our inner silence. According to Osho, meditation is the bridge that brings us back to our center. Meditation is not an escape, it is the path to discovering your true being. When you become still, the chaos of the mind begins to dissolve, and your inner truth slowly rises like a clear sunrise. Osho explained that every human carries two identities, personality and being. Personality is the mask society gives us. Being is our true essence. Suffering begins when we start living through the mask instead of the soul. But through awareness and meditation, layer after layer of conditioning falls away, and we begin to rediscover the pure, innocent self that has always lived within us. Osho's next message was to live totally. Whatever you do, love, laugh, dance, work, do it with your whole heart. Half-hearted living is the root of unhappiness. Most people live scattered between past regrets and future fears, forgetting that life exists only in the present moment. Osho said the present is the doorway to reality. When you become fully present, even simple things like breathing, watching the sky, or listening to the wind fill you with joy. He also taught that life should not be taken too seriously. Seriousness kills joy, creativity, and innocence. Children are naturally joyful because they live without fear of judgment. But as adults, we forget how to laugh and how to play. Osho believed that true spirituality is reclaiming this lost innocence. Laughter, playfulness, and lightness are as sacred as meditation. His message of love is equally powerful. Love, he said, is not dependency or possession. It is freedom. True love liberates, it does not control. Real love is like a fragrance that spreads effortlessly. And the only way to love fully is to first love yourself, because an empty heart cannot give anything. Osho also spoke about freedom, the courage to walk your own path, even if it feels lonely at first. Freedom is frightening because it comes with responsibility, but it is only through freedom that one discovers their true destiny. For Osho, meditation is the ultimate key. Meditation is not something you do, it is something you become. It is a state of awareness you carry in every moment. When awareness grows, life becomes clear, peaceful, and deeply fulfilling. Osho's final message was acceptance, accepting life as it is. Acceptance brings peace, strength, and clarity. When you stop fighting life, you begin to flow with it. And in that flow, life becomes a dance. Osho said, if you love life, existence will embrace you. Life is not a burden, it is a miracle. And the one who learns to live with awareness, love, freedom, and celebration becomes truly free.